Okay, third adventures of Lucy and Otis. Right now, this is Otis. Otis, do you just like chewing on bones? Odie. Da na 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 na. Do 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 do. Let's go find Lucy. Lucy. What?
One quick phone call. Question. So you never said, "Get me 6 Armani suits,"
Get off
or
the
"Get me a
clothes.
certain stylist
Yeah,
out of New York
stupid.
City," or anything like that. And she said there was no demand.
Come on, Lucy. Come on.
And in
Move.
fact, the criticism
Move
was
around.
like,
Odie.
time off to when Marcus or Saks. I don't think I've ever set foot in one of those stores, and of course didn't know the New York stylists who they hired or anything else. They were really nice gals. They were wonderful people, and you know it was productive in a sense, and they picked up some really nice clothes.
Jesse, go do that somewhere else.
Fine.
That was
Come on, Lucy.
anything that the Palin family would have chosen for ourselves. In fact, I'm much more comfortable
Fine, Otis.
in my own
Otis.
my own clothes. And,
Otis.
you know, I guess it was just
Okay. Now we wait. Oh, looks like we attracted Lucy. Lucy, where you going? You going to Burger King, Lucy? Wait, oh yeah, I forgot you work at Burger King. This is Lucy here. I work at Burger King, making Whoppers, wearing paper hats. Do you want to know about that? Do you want to know about? Okay, see you bye. Lucy, Otis.
Jesse.
Okay, fine. That was the adventures of Lucy and Otis. Now stare into the light. Oh God, that's bad for my eyes. And we shall end with Otis. Yes, that is Otis.